Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials: compatible source, display, and audio device. Once done, connect the source to the TV or AVR using an HDMI cable into the eARC port. Optical can block Atmos. Make sure firmware and the Dolby Access or platform app are up to date so the feature appears. Then power cycle devices to detect the new connection. These steps set the communication path and eliminate the most common blockers before you change any software settings. Next, you enable the audio path in software. On Windows, open Sound Settings, choose your output device and enable spatial sound. Select Dolby Atmos through Dolby Access if required. On Apple TV, Fire TV, or Roku, go to Audio Settings and pick Dolby Atmos or pass through to external AVR. For PlayStation and Xbox, set audio output to bitstream or pass-through and enable Dolby Atmos where listed. Make sure apps like Netflix, Disney+, or Apple TV are set to high-quality audio in their playback settings so Atmos metadata is preserved. Finally, you confirm by playing Dolby Atmos tagged content and watching for the Atmos indicator on your AVR or streaming device. If you don't see it, double-check that TV audio is set to pass-through or bitstream to the AVR, not to TV speakers. Use a high-speed HDMI cable and ensure eARC is enabled on both TV and AVR. If problems persist, update firmware, unplug and replug HDMI, and try a different HDMI port. This resolves handshaking and metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.